I'm going to do an intraday stock market analysis, starting off with the SPY. This is a daily chart, and as you can see, SPY is once again trading at all-time highs. All right, now we know this is a bull market because not only is there higher highs and constant higher lows, but you can see with my moving averages, they're all stacked on top of each other. The 5-day moving average, which is this red one, is trading below the 13, but that's because we just got back from a nice pullback, a nice healthy pullback right here, and it bounced off of this critical support level, which right here you can see. I'll show you. Right here we had a double bottom right here, 1, 2, and it came for a potential triple bottom, and then moved right back up to new all-time highs. Right now I have a price target of 449 if 447 continues to hold, okay? Because down here we had a price target right here of 442 and 443 and change, and if we get back above that, we will be very bullish. All right, now it will be bearish if SPY drops back below 442, and then we have the 50-day moving average here that's acting as support, and of course this 435.87 level that's also acting as support 3 times. Okay, so this is a bear trend, this is a bull trend, a bull market, so we want to remain bulls in this bull market and not try to be the next Michael Blurry. All right, so if I take this trend line, add it here, as you can see, we still have more room where this can go up for the 449 price target. All right, now this resistant line has been around since July. Now I like to trade and consider the area of liquidity. Now if you remember, or I'm not sure what the area of liquidity is. Area of liquidity is where potential stop losses are set up. Okay, so you see how it gets pulled back from these levels multiple times. So retail traders see that it's come to this level and this multiple pullback, they're going to assume that we'll get another pullback. Okay, so if they enter here, based on the structure, they will most likely leave their stop losses just above the resistant line. Okay, so this area, this white area, is potentially where all the stop losses of retail traders who are betting to the downside are clustering up right here. Okay, so I do have this price target of 449. Just looking at this chart, look like SPY has more room to go. Okay, now if we look at the fear index, fear and greed index, there's still a lot of fear. So most retail traders are fearful right now. They're trying to be the next Michael Blurry and call a top in a bull market. That's usually not a good idea. Okay, now you can clearly see that there's still more room. Maybe when it goes up to a 450 around this range, 450 to 451, we'll watch for a potential false breakout. But other than that, there's nothing on this chart that's saying bearish. We're trading above all moving averages, so we definitely want to watch the previous high level of 447, and then we want to watch these moving averages around 443. The 20-day average is around 442, and the 50 days at 434.63, and of course this triple bottom right here at 435.77. Okay, so those are the levels we want to watch. If SPY is trading below 434, then I'll be a little more bearish. But right now, this is a bull market. We want to find buying opportunities and buy up the dip. This is a buy the dip market, okay? And if we check the VIX, which moves in opposite direction of the SPY, the VIX is below all our moving average, so a bearish VIX. It's great news for the SPY. Okay, and as you can see, the VIX looks like it has plenty of more room to drop down. If the VIX has more room to drop down, SPY, like I said earlier, has more room to go up. Okay, so don't try to call a top just yet. This is not the market to do then. All right, moving on to Triple Q. Triple Q had this bull flag that started back in August 5th, and today it smashed and broke out of that resistant level, okay, at 373. Now I was using the Fibonacci level as a resistance support level for Triple Q, and we had a resistant level at 371.47, which the Triple Q broke. So we want to see if 371.47 will hold, and if it does, our next price target for Triple Q will be all the way up here at 389.11. It's not going to go up right away. It'll take some time, but we'll see. It's not guaranteed we'll hit that price target, but as of right now, we have this bullish breakout from the bull flag, and most of our moving average are stacked on top of each other, and QQQ is trading above all moving average. So this is a bull chart. So like with SPY, we want to remain bullish, all right? So moving on to ARKK. ARKK is looking pretty bearish. I was hoping it came out of this ABC correction, and this would be the first wave up. This would be the ABC correction for wave 2. We'll see if it's holding up. Okay, and right now it's running into resistance at our 13-day moving average. And if you look here, so we got resistance at the 13-day moving average. It got rejected, which is at 119.62. But we need ARKK to get back above 120, which is where our 20-day moving average is. Okay, below 20-day moving average is really bearish. Above shows bullish strength is building. The 200-day moving average is at 122.82. So if ARKK can get back above that level, it'll start looking bullish again, and this will look more like a bullish chart. And there's a big chance that this would be the beginning of either wave 3 to the upside or wave 5. Okay, so we bring this out. 1 second. Here's our Elliott wave. So this could be 1, 2, 3. We'll see if this is 4, and then we can see if we get up there for 5. Let me move the moving average so you can see clearer. Okay, can you guys see clearer? So wave 1, 2, 3 is here. We got this ABC correction for wave 4, and we'll see if we can get that move up for wave 5, which we have this this nice gap over here. So 142 to the 143 price target. Okay, now if for me to be bearish again, it'll have to break below 113 and close below 113. Okay, we have this potential double bottom right here, which is around 113. If it breaks below, I am bearish on ARKK, and this will cancel out this potential 5th wave happening. All right, so still remain to see if, like I said, if back above the 200-day moving average, which is at 122.82, definitely bullish on ARKK and definitely buy the dip. All right, now moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I've been saying for quite some time that this is back in a bull market. We can see here that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now, Bitcoin has been trading above the 200-day moving average, and you can also see the 20-day moving average crossing back, trying to cross back above it. So we got a lot of bullish momentum going. We got this area of imbalance up here between 51K to 54K, so that is my next price target. If Bitcoin can break 54K, then I think we will head back up to 59.4K, and if we break that, possibly back up to all-time highs. Okay, so if we look here, Bitcoin was in a downtrend. Let me move the moving average. Bitcoin's trading above all moving averages, by the way, which is bullish. And we had this downtrend here where it tested here, rejected, came back and broke it. Okay, so that's a very bullish move, a bullish breakout. This is a buy the dip market in my opinion. Okay, yeah, so definitely watch for, let me bring up moving averages. I like to use the moving averages as support and resistance levels. So definitely the levels that I want us to watch out for is, so watch right here, 48.7K. Watch the 5-day moving average. The 13-day moving at 47K. And this is a critical level around 45.6K. Give it a little room to drop because areas of liquidity. Many traders, retail traders, are probably looking at that level and they're looking to buy there and potentially set their stop loss just below. So it's currently at 45.7K. So give it to 45K. As a critical support level. Below 45K, another critical support level is around 39K, and below 39K I would be bearish on Bitcoin, and I will look to re-enter around this area of liquidity around here around the 27 to 29K. I highly doubt Bitcoin will drop down that low, but you know, definitely watch 45K. It's possible Bitcoin could drop to one of these levels, 45, 47 and 48K, and that's one of those levels where I will look to accumulate. All right, guys. So that's your intraday stock market analysis from us, and I hope this is able to help keep y'all calm. And I'll see you guys soon.